大家好，我是Chidiogo Laoshi，我是拉各斯大学孔子学院的老师。Hello everyone, I am Chidiogo from Confucius Institute, University of Lagos. Today we are going to learn big sentences in Chinese. What is big sentence? Big sentence is the sentence using to make what? A comparison. Or just like in English, when you want to say something is better than the other. Then today we are going to learn how to use it in a positive way or the negative part of it. Then also when you are more specific, like how much the other one is used to be better than the other. Okay, let's go. Okay, so what's a big sentence? Let's go to the definition first. A big sentence is a sentence using to make what? A comparison. The predicate of the sentence can be what? An adjective. Example, here we have A, which is the subject, B, which is the comparison, then B, then adjective. Then under A, we have what? Ge, bi, jie, gao. Can you try it? Ge, bi, jie, gao. Which means what? That elder brother is taller than the elder sister. So elder brother is taller than elder sister. So that's what I'm trying to explain now, which is what? Positive part of it. Then 今天比昨天热. Again, 今天 means what? Today. 今天比昨天热, which means today is better than yesterday hot. So what's trying to say is what? Today is hotter than yesterday. Today is what? Hotter than yesterday. Okay, the next one. 他比我矮. Again. 他比我矮. Which means what? He is shorter than me. Which means again, he is shorter than me. I means what? To be short. I is I. Upton I. Okay. So this is the positive part of it. So when you want to make it negative, the rule says what? A, may or B is the negative form of it. And what does that mean? Here we know we have A, B, and like the B sentence, then B. From here, for us to make it negative, you use what? May or. You don't even need to add the B. Here, for example, if you want to say that the elder brother is not taller than me, how do you say it using this B sentence? You say what? 哥哥没有姐姐高. Again, 哥哥没有姐姐高, which means what? The elder brother is not taller than elder sister. Did we get it? Elder brother is not taller than the elder sister. Okay, the second one is what? 今天没有昨天热. Again, can you say after me? 今天 means what? Today. 没有 is not. 没有昨天 yesterday 热, which means what? That today is not hotter than yesterday. Today is not hotter than yesterday. Okay, the next one. 他没有我矮. 他没有我矮, which means what? He is not shorter than me. That means he's taller than me. He's not shorter than me. Okay, so this is the positive, the negative form of it. Then the next. Okay, so we already know the positive part of it and the negative. Then now, if we want to be specific, like when the change is idia means what? A little. Ishie also means some. Then why door or that door means what? Much. So if you want to be specific, what are the differences? You add this at the end. Okay, let's go. Here we have A, B, then adjective, then the number. Then the first one is what? 西瓜. What is 西瓜? 西瓜 is watermelon. 西瓜比苹果贵2块钱. Can we try it? 西瓜比苹果贵2块钱. which means what? The watermelon is more expensive than the apple with what? 2 kwai. Like 2 kwai money. Do you understand? The watermelon 西瓜比苹果贵2块钱. That means if watermelon is 4 naira, that means 西瓜比苹果贵2块钱. So if 苹果is 4 naira, then 西瓜 would be what? 6 naira. So it's more expensive than 苹果. Okay, the next one is what? 我的学习比他好一点. Can you try it? 我的学习比他好一点, which means what? That my degree of study is slight better than hers. If there is differences are not that much, just small differences. 我的学习比他好一点, which means my degree of study is a slight better than her. Then the next one, 今天比昨天热得多. Can you try it? 今天比昨天热得多, which means what? That today is much hotter than yesterday. Today is much hotter than yesterday. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's class, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. 再见。